Hello friends, today I Leela Chaudhary want to share with you about abbreviation and its types. Abbreviations are generally used in our daily life when we send short messages or email to our friends, relatives, etc. An abbreviation, a word or phrase written in short form, is called an abbreviation. We can say abbreviations are shortening of words or phrase. Such examples are GOV dot for governors, DR dot for doctors, A dot M for antimeridiem, P dot M for postmeridiem, and NO dot for number. Let us know about how many types of abbreviations are there. There are four main types of abbreviation in English. First is shortening, second is contraction, third is initialism, and fourth is acronym. Now let us know about shortening. A shortening is an abbreviation where the end of the word has been cut off. As for example, APP is a short form of application. The first three letters of this word have been chosen and form the short form. Now next is AD is the short form of advertisement. The the first two letters have been chosen and form short form of advertisement. Next is GOV is the short form of governor. The first three letters have been chosen and forms an abbreviation of governor. Now next example is PROF dot is the short form of professor. In this word, the first four letters have been chosen and forms a short form of professor. Second is contraction. A contraction is an abbreviation. The middle of the words have been cut out and form the short form. GOVT dot is a short form of government. In this, GOV are the first three letters and T is the last letters. So make and the middle letters of this word have been cut out and form the new short form of government. DR dot stands for the word doctor and D is the first letter and R is the last letter and form the short form of doctor. Next example is LTD dot is the short form of limited. Here L is the first letter and T and D meet with L and form a new abbreviation of limited. Next is initialism. An initialism is an abbreviation made from the initial letter or the first letter of a group of words. We can say that in initialism we separate the letters and we pronounce it as individual. As for example, BA. BA is the short form of Bachelor of Arts. In this bachelor, the letter B has been taken and from arts, A has been taken and form an abbreviation. Next example is BBC. BBC is the short form of British Broadcasting Corporation. First three words have been taken out from these three words and formed an abbreviation. Now next example is UN. UN is the short form of United Nations. U for United and N for Nations. and made an abbreviation of United Nations. Now last is acronym. An acronym is an abbreviation made from the initial or the first letters of a group of words. We can say that an acronym is read as a word, not as a separate letters. For example, NASA, N for National, A for Aeronautics, and S for Space, and A for Administration. From these words, the new word NASA has been formed. Next example is scuba. Scuba is the short form of self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. S for self, C for contained, U for underwater, B for breathing, and A for apparatus. First 5 letters have been taken out from acronym. Next example is AIDS. AIDS is the short form of acquired immune deficiency syndrome. First 4 letters have been taken out from these 4 words and made an acronym abbreviation. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe.